Nanjing Heise Extrusion Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech company. Our firm is composed of a strong team which has substantial experience in research and development, manufacture, technique, and sales service, and has specialized in extruder industry for 11 years. We are now devoted to highly active single, twin-screw compounding extruders and interrelated techniques. According to the material system and technical process, we have achieved the optimization of structural design for mixing equipment and combine electromechanical and technique systems together, which show our many years' experience and comprehensive techniques. Our products including single-screw extruders, co-rotating twin-screw compounding extruders, two-stage compounding extruders, auxiliary equipment. These machines are widely used in China and have exported to Germany, Britain, Mexico, Bulgaria, Canada, Australia, India, Russia, Czech, Turkey, Egypt, and United Arab Emirates. At present, with tremendous development of science and technology, plastic and rubber industry becomes more and more important to our daily life, which can secure and improve the quality of our lives and the environment. Almost every day, through research, development, and improvement, the application range of newly improved materials becomes wider, providing more and more innovative terminal products. Plastic and rubber industry needs rich experience and progressive partners, and we are your most suitable partner to provide professional quality equipment and excellent service in China. Believe yourself, and cooperating with Heise is your wise decision. Believe us, since high quality and service is our promise forever.